Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into our daily analysis on the price of Miladies. We're going to be talking about the analysis, see what really is happening, and where I could be projecting the price of Ladies going in the immediate short term. So before we get into that, just a quick disclaimer. As always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, if we're looking at the price as of June 30th, the last day of the month of June, and which, this month has been a really exciting month for the entire crypto space. So, that is a great thing to see. This month has been really well for us. But if we're looking at the price of Ladies right now, you guys can see it's currently sitting at 46,598. Still about 7 zeros in front of the price. We are down about 2.4% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2.6% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $41.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost $6 million. So what exactly is next? Are we about to see some weakness in the price of Ladies? I'm going to share that with you guys right now. And the point of doing daily analysis is, we tend to see if there's a shift in momentum, and I'm going to keep it quite transparent with you guys. I'm not going to just say the price is just going to keep going towards the upside. If I think weakness is showing, I'm going to specify that. So I hope you guys are aware of that. So if we're looking at the holder count, obviously the holder count has decreased because the price has seen a little bit of a retracement within its price, which is normal to see. But if we're looking at the price right now, before we look at the price, let's look at the BTC dominance. BTC dominance is declining very sharply, which caused a lot of altcoins. You can see this for yourself. A lot of altcoins are exploding right now, and that is mainly because now Bitcoin profit is going back into altcoins, and some of the altcoins are really popping out, and the momentum is super bullish for the entire markets. But why is Ladies not moving right now? That is what we're going to be talking about. So first and foremost, like I said, the holder count being down, it's pretty self-explanatory because obviously the price is down. That does tend to take investors out. But not only that, there are something very interesting going on in the meme coin market. I'm sure if you guys are aware, there's a 2.0 season going. If you guys are aware, there's a Pepe 2.0, which literally gained so much traction. And unfortunately speaking, people tend to FOMO. And I've seen a lot of people jump from different projects, not just Ladies, a lot of different projects. You can see this on Etherscan as well. You could see over the last 3 to 4 days, I've seen some people are selling their Ladies, jumping into Pepe 2.0 and trying to see if that is going to be the next runner-up. Remember, you never want to be FOMOing in like that. It's really scary, especially new projects that are launched out of thin air. But that project is gaining a lot of traction, has like sky high volume. So it makes sense why it's being attracted by new investors. So that is what the current state of the market right now is, even for Pepe. Yes, you've heard that correct. Even Pepe right now is also on the sideways momentum, if you really notice, which I will cover in my Pepe's update after this. So you will see Pepe specific update for you guys. But if we're looking at the price of Ladies right now, let's zoom into it a little bit. I'm going to share as to what exactly is going on and whether or not we could see some more downside. So basically, as I've said, right now, due to that Pepe 2.0 hype, unfortunately, that hype is bigger than a lot of people think. If you go look at the volume on that thing, it's literally sky high. So, obviously, it's very scary to see a lot of people just jumping out, losing their patience, and jumping into other plays. But again, if people want to do that, they have every single right to do so. And obviously that causes price to decline. And right now we did go all the way up to that 5141 cents mark yesterday when Bitcoin was almost hitting new yearly highs, as you know. And of course, since then Bitcoin has seen a retracement within its price. Bitcoin went all the way down, guys, to 29,900. Once again, liquidations are happening left and right. Sorry, it went all the way down to 29,500. This right here is the definition of shorts, longs being liquidated, and we've been seeing this happening over quite some time now. And you can see the price of Bitcoin has reclaimed above $30,000. So a lot of manipulation going, to say the least. But now we're starting to see altcoins exploding because, obviously dominance has decreased, which is causing some of the altcoins to really pump like crazy. Ladies is not moving right now. I know a lot of people might be panicking right now that, is this over? But we need to remember how the cycle works. We're extremely correlated with the price of BTC. BTC went down to $29,400 today. And we did, of course, see the price of ladies see a retracement from yesterday's high for about 13.3%, but we've seen a little bit of a bounce. But you guys can see we're at some critical levels of support for the price of ladies. Yes, very critical. Now you can see for yourself, we have strong level of support around this range, and we are trying to bounce back above here. We're being supported by that resistance right now. Obviously, I'm sorry, that resistance is coming up in our way. So hopefully we crack past this. You want to see the price of ladies go above this range, guys. So we want to see, basically in short words, the price of ladies go above 40 million, I believe. Yeah. So it has to stay above $40 million market cap to make it easy for you guys to understand. If we were to go below it, then there is a strong chance, strong chance that we could potentially see the price go down to that 4130 cents mark, and even 3609 cents mark, which is the price of low that we saw back on June 19th after we retested that level of resistance at 6012 cents mark. So if I bring up the measuring tool for you guys, in order for ladies to go back down to those levels, that's a move of about 22%. And remember, those type of moves can happen quite easily, especially because ladies has a small market cap. These coins tend to move 10 to 15% on a day-to-day basis, and they can be fluctuated that easily. So that's what's happening. I think the price of ladies would have already been below the $40 million market cap if dominance was still high. So we got to thank the BTC dominance to plummet towards the downside. This could be literally, could this be actually the start of the altcoin season? We will see. We're still quite high, but we did see it top out to almost 52.18%, which I was talking about and which we were projecting. But basically, in short words, we do need to see the price of ladies breaking past this level of resistance and closing the day above this. If it's not able to do so, then unfortunately speaking, yes, there is a chance that ladies could go down to this 4120 cents mark, or potentially even retest the June 19 prices. And that's part of the game. This is part of the game. Not everything is going to go our way all the time. And this is why it's really important to lock these profits in. You never want to be getting greedy. You want to be locking those profits in. I cannot stress this enough. Do not let this be repetitive for you, where you see the profits, you get greedy, and now, the price is showing a little bit of weakness on its side. And now you're regretting, I did not lock in profits, because from the monthly high, it has retraced about 28.24%. So, this is why it's important to log those profits when you see them. I've seen literally hundreds of comments coming onto my videos, and some people, not on just ladies update, I say about this profit taking on every single video of mine. And a lot of people are coming and saying, I'm not taking profits, I'm not doing this, I'm not going to take profits. What are you talking about, CryptoZX? Why would I lock in profits? Are you crazy? And hate to say it, most of those type of people do tend to be left behind. So these are important times to be taking profits. But that is it for today's update. This is the current update for today. But like I said, things do get exciting once we break out of that main level of resistance, which I've been still talking about, which nothing changes on. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you all. And hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.